The majority of individuals who are above 60 years believe that gaining muscle is merely an age-related event. But what will happen to you in case I inform you that it is a natural and inexpensive procedure that will assist you to keep your muscles fit and strong without the need to purchase costly protein powders? Stay, as I am about to uncover the superfoods that will enable you to remain strong, be independent, and energetic, even years after years. The first time I noticed some changes in the behavior of my friend Bill was when he became 62 years old. He believed that the solution is protein powders. However, as time passed by, he observed bloating and digestive pain and very slight progress. This is the fact. Elderly people do not necessarily require costly powders. Whole foods provide that quality to your muscles that they desire. Protein, vitamins, minerals, enzymes, they collaborate with ease. The supplement industry would make us think that powders are necessary. And some are extensively processed. Nutrients are stripped. The aging bodies find it difficult to digest additives. Today, we are therefore discussing 8 natural foods that can compete with protein. Money-saving, delicious, and evidence-based. Foods that make you feel better and stronger. 8. Ricotta cheese. The creamy muscle saver. Ricotta is a powerhouse. It is the richest in its natural state, whether in form of whey protein, and also has fats, enzymes, and minerals that cannot be imitated by powders. It contains leucine, which is an amino acid that makes your muscles develop, even when your body is aging. It is also an albumin-rich cheese, like egg whites, and it is less digestible. It can be topped with some cinnamon or berries, and you have a creamy meal that is easy to digest. It is easy, tender, and ideal in cases of seniors who have problems with their chewing. Ricotta contains calcium that promotes the bone and muscular contractions. After 30 minutes, these nutrients start being used by your body to repair them. 7. Watermelon. Muscle recovery juicer. Watermelon is not a refreshment. It is full of L-citrulline that is converted to nitric oxide in the body. This enhances blood circulation, which transfers vitals and oxygen to fatigued muscles. Enhanced circulation results in reduced recovery and soreness. A banana has less potassium than just a single wedge of it, and this prevents cramps and weakness. Lycopene helps to protect muscle cells against age, stress, and natural sugars restore energy. It can be eaten before or after exercising. The white rind juice is also strong. This is a humble fruit that will be giant in recovery. 6. Canned salmon, the pantry muscle meal. 25 grams of the high-quality protein and nutrients powders are found in canned wild-caught salmon and are normally not present in cans of salmon. 3. South aid, in making your muscles respond to the exercise. Vitamin D3 gives strength to the bones and minimizes the risk of falls. Calcium and phosphorus are available in the form of soft bones. Zeaxanthin is a very strong antioxidant, which decreases muscle stress. It is non-perishable and inexpensive and cooked within a few seconds. No prep, no mess. You just open it, eat it, and you will feel the difference. Whole eggs, the original muscle food of nature. Whole eggs and yolks contain more than whites. Research indicates that they provoke 40% of muscle development after exercise. Yolks are also a source of vitamin D and a choline to aid in communication between the muscles and the brain, and leucine clusters to stimulate muscle repair. There is nothing wrong with cholesterol in this case, as it is needed to generate testosterone, which seniors require. Combine eggs with vegetables to promote the intake of nutrients. Break, boil, or in a frittata. Eggs are inexpensive and easily digestible. For kefir, the nighttime muscle protector. Kefir is a Scottish yogurt fermented milk beverage containing 60 strains of probiotics. It is good to your gut, which has a direct impact on muscle health. The protein casein is not digested easily, but it nourishes muscles up to 7 hours as one sleeps, a period when the muscles are under the greatest breakdown. Vitamin K2, MK7, and bioactive peptides lower inflammation and direct the calcium to bones and muscles. Consumption of kefir once a day at night can aid your body in repairing as you sleep. Black beans. Vegetarian protein with a secret weapon. Black beans provide 18 grams of protein in a cup and a prebiotic fiber known as resistant starch. This nourishes gut bacteria, which guards against muscle, inflammation, and the absorption of proteins. Magnesium and antioxidants repair and maintain the strength of the muscles with the help of folate. Black beans are ideal as a soup, salad, or mashed with olive oil. Strauss, vegan, and very effective. Beets. The natural blood flow booster. Dietary nitrates are abundant in beets, which become nitric oxide to enlarge blood vessels. This enhances muscle performance by as much as 16%, lessens inflammation using betalins, and aids in the generation of creatine. Low digest. Sugars provide consistent energy without high blood sugar levels. Roast juice or make them into smoothies. Performance and recovery are improved with the eating of beets either before or after exercise. Sardines plus olive oil. The smallest fish, the bigger the muscle. Olive oil sardines are tiny, yet may be powerhouses. They contain full body of protein, omega-3, vitamin D3, and CoQ10. Bones that are edible provide phosphorus and calcium. Omega-3 south lessen inflammation, enhance recovery, and raise protein sensitivity. They contain heart-healthy fats packaged in extra virgin olive oil and increase the absorption of vitamins. Ready to eat, shelf, and very convenient. Conclusion: whole foods overpowers. These foods are ricotta, watermelon, canned salmon, eggs, kefir, black beans, beets, and sardines, used to preserve and build muscle naturally. No expensive powders, no bloating. Simple, natural, and nutritious foods that make the elderly independent, energetic, and strong. Whole and natural foods are better in responding to your muscles, bones, or arthritis. The importance of these foods leads to longevity, mobility, and vitality. In case you enjoyed these tips, then like and subscribe to this channel. You will not be able to miss any more science-backed nutrition tips to remain strong after 60. Spread it among your friends and relatives who desire to stay strong and independent. Keep in mind, be strong, eat healthy, and move on.